Hey guys, so I just want to jump on here really quick. I just got the Inkredible Pen by Jane Davenport right here, and I had the hardest time getting it loaded. So some of you that have been following my videos know that I'm doing a Jane Davenport review, and I just got this pen today, and it is one of the ones I have in my giveaway. If you want to find out more information about that, you can win all this stuff: collage papers, acrylic stamps, washi tape, acrylic watercolor brights palette, and the Inkredible Pen. And to do that, you just need to watch all the videos in my Jane Davenport playlist, which they're not all done. I'm still working on them. And you need to comment, and you need to be subscribed to me. Watch some other videos if you want to know more details. This one I just want to do super quick because this was like, I thought it was broken, and I've heard from lots of people who think that their pen is broken and they're like, doesn't work, doesn't work. So I finally got it to work because basically I'm just really determined. So it comes with, I bought two because I'm giving one away, comes with a refill converter. And for those of you like me who wasn't quite sure what that meant, all it means is that you can put your own ink in here. You should use ink that is suitable for a fountain pen. And there's like this little plunger, and you can just see that this comes up. So you just stick it in, you put that down, put it in the ink, pull it up, and then you put this in there. Okay, so if you want something other than black ink, there is a teal pen that she has that comes with 3 different colors of ink. I don't have it, but I'm going to try to order it. So I finally just got this in, and I had looked online for something, and everyone else was like, you just put it in and you just click it in, and yeah, it's really easy. Okay, so I'm probably going to get my hands messy, but I want to show you this to do it, and it'll probably work a lot better now. But all that was happening was, okay, I'm not going to do this because it's just going to make a big mess, was I was putting this in, and it says, some people say, oh, you got to hear 2 clicks, some people turn it, and it just looks so easy, okay? I watched a whole bunch of videos on this, including Jane's video that she has. And I even put this on, and I clicked that on, and I pushed and I pushed. I could not get this thing to go in there. It was rattling around, like it was like rattling around in here, like this, with this thing on. And I could not get it to work. So I'm here to tell you, put this lid on. So put the lid on because you don't want to damage the nib. Put the lid on. Push down with your superhuman strength, because that's what it's going to take. Or maybe I'm just a weakling. I don't know. And you will eventually hear a click. And you're going to feel like, I'm going to break my pen. I'm going to break my pen. Yeah. But at that point, you're just so frustrated that you don't care if you break it. You just are determined to make this work. I finally heard a click, and then this actually stays in. Look, it's staying in. It's not going to rattle around in here. And then you put this on. It's not going to turn all the way until you get this. And then I'm just going to finish. And you give it some taps. Just figure out how many taps you need. I gave it a few too many, and I opened it up, and it was kind of blobby. So all you do is you just wipe that off. And it works amazing. So that is how this works. So it's not broken. You just need to be super strong to do it. And put the lid on so you don't damage it when you're pushing it down. You're not going to be able to like do that. At least I couldn't. And maybe your pen will be a little bit easier. But if you are having trouble getting this wonderful thing to click, you just push down on it super hard and it will work. All right? That's all I have to say. You can check out my other videos in my Jane Davenport playlist for more stuff that I'm doing with hers. See you later.